Good morning. I'm taking a video to do notes for our surface area of cubes and rectangular prisms. We are starting surface area. The last unit of study we had involved area of regular shapes and composite figures, so circles, triangles, trapezoids, parallelograms, rectangles, and now we're moving into surface area. Okay, surface area is the total area on the outside of a three-dimensional object. So like if you're wrapping a package, it would be like in Christmas time, if you're wrapping a present, it would have to do with how much wrapping paper is needed to cover the area of the entire figure here, which this figure is a rectangular prism. It even says right here, rectangular prism. All 3D shapes have a first name and a last name. First name here, the rectangle, tells me the base shape is a rectangle. And the fact that it's a prism tells me it's mainly made of rectangles. Those are characteristics of prisms. Prisms are mainly made of rectangles and they have two bases. The first name tells me what type of base it is. There's another shape we'll talk about later called pyramids, and they have a little bit of a different characteristic. But prisms are mainly made of rectangles, and they also have two base shapes. All right. So down here, we're going to use this information to determine the area of each rectangle. Then find the sum of the 6 faces. Sum means that we're going to end up adding them together. All right, so we've got this right here. It's a 4 by 3 by 11. That means this longest piece is 11. So I'm going to label this as 11. And you know what? It's not a bad idea to label all of those 11, 11, 11, 11. All of those are 11. The base here is a 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So I'm going to label one of these 3 and one of these 4. So this is 4, this is 3. Now, knowing this, I can use this to help me find the side measurements here. If I were to fold these, this side would touch here, so that's 4. This side would touch here, that's 4. That leaves this to be the 3, 3, 4, 4.